Hey, this is René. Welcome back to another video. And in this video, I want to show you something I worked on recently, which is a strategy that can trade in high volatility markets. So this strategy is kind of well known because we just want to trade at a specific point and trade in both directions. So either if the market goes up or down, we do make profits if we just follow the markets. And the strategy for this, I pre-recorded a trading setup today in the US30, so the Dow Jones market here. The general setup is that we trade the market opening. So let me start the recording here. And you can see on the right chart here, this is the US30, you will see that it is 16:28 server time. So in 2 minutes there will be the market opening for the US market. And this strategy, this EA is currently called the news trader system. It is trading at this specific point in time. So as soon as we reach the market opening, we will place a buy stop and a sell stop order. So we will place a buy stop order above the current market price and a sell stop order below the current market price. And both of these orders have a TP and a SL, and they both have a trading stop, which the expert advisor uses to manage the positions. And yeah, the general idea is that at the market open, there is usually a short period of time where you can find high volatility in the market. So there is a lot of movement because the market has to find its direction pretty much for the day. So this is a interesting point of time where you can try to build trading setups around this point of time. So if we wait 30 more seconds, we will see that the expert advisor places these two orders, and then we can watch how the trade or the trades work out. And maybe I can give you a little spoiler. This is happening really fast, so I will have to pause the video from time to time to make sure that you realize everything, because there are two trades happening in a period of I think 10 or 20 seconds. So let me pause it here already. So as you already saw, the expert advisor placed two orders, a buy stop and a sell stop order, and the buy stop order is already executed. And this is where you see how important it is to have expert advisors or automated trading setups, because if you try to trade this manually, so if you try to put in orders at the market opening at the exact time, it will just not work, because the market moves so fast that you are not able to react. And this is why automated trading programs are so important in these situations, because you just cannot trade these setups without automated trading systems. Okay, but as you can see, the buy stop order was already filled. You can see there is a stop loss price down here, and there is a take profit price up here, and the take profit price will not reach. But as the market goes up, whoa, you already saw it. This is moving too fast. Let me rewind a little bit here. So you can see as the market goes up at this moment here, the stop loss is moved up nearly to the position opening here, and then 1 second later or a split second later, the stop loss is already reached. And this is an interesting point, because at this point here, the price is below the stop loss price of the buy position, but the buy position is still open. And this can happen because if there is too much volatility, if the price is moving too fast, the broker sometimes cannot give you an execution at the price level that you want to be executed, because there might be other orders placed which has to be executed first, or the broker is just not fast enough, or there can be a variety of events or a variety of problems that may cause you to lose a little bit more than you plan, because the order will be executed below your stop loss level. I mean, as you can see here, the current price in the market in the US30 is currently at 718, just the last three numbers here of the price, and the stop loss is at 728. So we are already like nearly 10 points below the stop loss price. And this is why we lose money on this trade, even though the stop loss is already above the entry price. So this is something you have to keep in mind if you are trading setups like these, where you have high volatility markets. But let me, maybe I can take this and move the cursor here. So like 1 split second later, the SL is then executed and the position will be closed. So we lose like 9 euro or dollar on this trade. I think, yeah, the account is in euro. And then again, you can see this is like the same situation, but it's a little bit different, because here you can see the sell stop order is still in the market, and you can see the price drops below the price of the sell stop order. And you can see this is why the price of the sell stop order down here, it turns yellow. So the background is yellow. This means that the order is touched, it is triggered, but it is not yet executed. And this is again the same problem. Maybe there is just too much traffic on the server of the broker, or maybe there's just there are just orders that have to be filled before or first. So your order has to wait a little bit, and this is always the same. But in this situation, this is even good for us, because if I move this a little bit to the right, you can see the price then jumps back up, and then we get the execution. So in this case, the execution is even better than we planned it to be. And this is pretty much what separates a good broker from a not so good broker, because sometimes the broker will not give you the better price. It will just say, okay, you got the you wanted to execute your order down here, so it gives you this price. But yeah, in this case, IC Markets gave us a fair execution, so we got even a better execution than we planned for this sell order. So as you can see, it can be bad for you, like it was with the stop loss of the buy position, but on the other hand, it can also be good for you, like we see here with the execution of the sell opening order. And yeah, this is yeah, both things can happen, and yeah, you just have to keep in mind that there can be slippage whenever you trade in high volatility markets. But let us watch how this goes. So the market then falls down. At this moment, you can see this little dotted a red line, which is the SL of the sell position, and you can see it is moved downwards as the market tends to fall here, and you can see that we nearly reach the take profit, but here we then eventually hit the stop loss, and we still get a little bit of slippage, but yeah, in the end, I hope that I show it in the very end here. You can see so we lost €9.07 on the very first trade of both of these trades, and we made a profit of €28.60 roughly on the second trade. So in total, for this account, which I started yesterday, I think. I mean, I can just open it on the server. Don't know why I didn't think about it earlier. So yeah, maybe again before we look at the server, we can watch it one more time in real time, and you will realize why I had to pause it several times, because all of this happened in like 10 seconds. So this was 5 seconds before the market opening, and then you will see in 4 seconds everything will happen extremely fast, and this is why automated trading is so great. So as you can see, first order already closed. There is the trailing stop for the second order, and the second order is closed in no. So it took the market 12 seconds to open and close 2 orders, and this is why automated trading is great, because it can ensure that you will make all the trades that you want and that you do not miss any opportunities. Okay, so this is the server, this is another account, this is also another account. This is the account that we just saw in the replay there, and yeah, as you can see here, this is a account that I opened yesterday, and we already traded yesterday in the German index, the DE40 it is called at this broker, and you can see there we made 2 profits, €7 and €30. Then we traded yesterday on the US30, the market open. We lost €19 with the first trade and made roughly €16 with the second trade. Then again today we traded in the German index, losing €9.50 on the first trade, winning €9.50 on the first trade, losing €20 on the second trade. And today we traded again the market opening for the US market, and we lost €9 on the first trade and won €28 on the second trade. So in total, over 2 days we made a profit of €42, which is okay, but I mean, 2 days really mean nothing. So I will have to watch it a little bit longer to see if the setup can be good or if it needs modifications and adjustments. But this was just a short episode to show you, yeah, my latest project, what I'm working on, what I try to figure out in the next days and weeks, if this might be a good setup. So let me think what you let me know what you think about this in the comments below, and maybe I can make another update video on this yeah, in the future. Okay, so have a great day. See you next time. Oh, and one thing I have to tell you before you leave, make sure to check out our website. It is linked below. It is en.bmtrading.de. You will find free tools like the Trade Buddy there, and also a complete course on MetaTrader 5 programming, where you learn how to write these strategies. And there is a video with a content overview of this course, and I already added some more topics on files and a moving average expert advisor that features a complex data structure and partial closes. And I also added some array classes, or the explanation for this. So there's a lot of stuff in this course which will teach you how to automate trading strategies, and what will enable you to write your own strategies like the one I showed in this video. So have a great time, have good trades, and we will see each other in the next episode on this channel. Bye bye.